How to Make Crepes for Kids. 4-8. A French baking story featuring Bob and Mémé Colette, sweet swirls and flying flips. Bob the baker pedaled down a sunny country road. "I'm exploring Brittany, France today," he called out. The wind smelled like fresh grass and something buttery far away. Bob parked his bike and wandered into a busy market. Stalls of cheese, apples, and flowers stretched in every direction. "Where do I even start?" Bob laughed. Suddenly, a white duck zoomed out and snatched the bread from Bob's basket. "Hey, come back here," Bob shouted, chasing after her through the crowd. Bob burst through a doorway, completely out of breath. Inside, a woman laughed so hard she nearly dropped her spatula. "Well," she said, "Plume has brought me a guest. I'm Mémé Colette." "Don't mind Plume, she steals from everyone," chuckled Mémé Colette. "I was just about to make some crepes. Wanna help?" Bob tied on a little apron. "Ready when you are." Mémé Colette reached for a sack on the shelf. "Then let's begin. First, we need some friends." Out tumbled flour from the sack. Egg peeked from its basket. Milk slid off a shelf. Butter scooted across the counter. "4 little friends, ready to work," said Mémé Colette. Egg jumped in with a little splash. Milk poured in smooth and slow. Flour puffed a soft, white cloud. Bob stirred and stirred until it was silky and smooth. "This little tool is called a râteau," said Mémé Colette. "Watch closely. We swirl it gently, round and round, like drawing a circle." Bob's first crepe came out lumpy and torn. "Oh no," Bob sighed. Mémé Colette just laughed. "In France, we say the first crepe is never perfect, and that's okay." "Plume," laughed Bob. The little duck had already grabbed the wobbly crepe and was waddling off proudly. "I guess that one was yours after all." Mémé Colette gently guided his hand, round and round, smooth and slow. This time the crepe came out thin, golden, and perfectly round. "Flip!" Mémé Colette flicked her spatula, and the crepe twirled through the air like a little golden coin before landing back down. Perfect. Bob sprinkled sugar over his warm crepe. Mémé Colette squeezed a little lemon on top. "Sweet and a little sour. Just like that." She smiled. Bob held up his plate. Golden, folded, sweet little crepes. Everyone. "I made real French crepes," he cheered. "Magnifique, Bob," said Mémé Colette. Bob waved as he pedaled away, his basket full of warm crepes. "Merci, Mémé Colette. Goodbye, Plume." The little duck flapped her wings one last time.